viewers, it is not just the government and forces that are at the receiving end of opposition's wrath. Even the judiciary has not been spared. Today, the Chief Justice of India has been called TRP hungry. Someone looking to boost his popularity. Why? Because he unequivocally said that no red carpet should be rolled out for those who enter the country illegally. Chief Justice of India Surya Kant was hearing a plea on custodial disappearance of 5 Rohingyas. The petitioner claimed that certain Rohingyas were picked up by the Delhi police in May and there was no information about their whereabouts. To which the Chief Justice Surya Kant said that if somebody is an intruder and enters illegally, do we have an obligation to keep them here? An absolutely legitimate question based on constitutional principles, and yet Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee called them loose comments, and Samajwadi Party MP went a step further, accusing the centre of installing Chief Justices who only favor the BJP. The BJP is now calling it a proof of India bloc, love for घुसपैठिया.
सब जज को कोई लूज कमेंट करना नहीं चाहिए. आजकल जज लोग ज्यादा बात करते हैं टीआरपी बढ़ाने के लिए, जजमेंट नहीं देते हैं.
शायद बीजेपी ने ऐसे व्यक्ति को बैठा लिया है चीफ जस्टिस की कुर्सी पे जो उनके इशारों पे नाचेंगे. ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि इस देश की संवैधानिक संस्थाएं न्याय करने की जगह सरकार की हाँ में हाँ मिला रही हैं.
Instead of championing the rights of Bhartiyas, they are championing the rights of Ghuspaitias and Rohingyas. They love Ghuspaitias and Rohingyas so much that they will attack even constitutional institutions. They are not Samvidhan Premis, they are Ghuspaitia Premis.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Niladri Bhattacharya, I want to ask you, how can a member of parliament who's a lawmaker call the Chief Justice? Well, how can they call a Chief Justice of India as somebody who's TRP hungry? Now, the Chief Justice has to take lessons from a member of parliament of a political party?
So, I mean, the TMC leaning political analyst will answer that. I don't like this kind of language against the CJI. But the fact is the BJP has done nothing to remove Ghuspaitias, and I'll give you 3 examples. These are NCRB data. UPA removed 80,000 plus intruders, Ghuspaitias. They removed 5,000. 80% Rohingyas came after 2015. They are still in the country. Hardeep Puri ji tweeted a 1-bedroom flat for them. Then he had to delete the tweet after Hardeep Puri ji was criticized by all of us. Now, the Honorable Home Minister of India went to BR and said, Ghuspaitiya, 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 Ghuspaitiya. Now you are asking us, we are asking you where the Ghuspaitiyas in BR, why haven't you kicked them out? You are saying we don't know, Election Commission knows, Home Ministry knows nothing. Therefore I am saying, ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको भाजपा ने ठगा नहीं, आप तो घुसपैठियों के नाम पर भी देश को ठग रहे हो.
Well, I want to ask you, Somnath Bharti ji. Now we are going to have refresher courses by MPs for Chief Justice of India. Is that how the Constitution will be saved as per the opposition now? Because आप तो संविधान saviors है ना?
Navika ji, see, Honorable Chief Justice, the new Chief Justice said so, whatever you said. But the earlier Chief Justice, Mr. Chandrachud, what did he say? He said, he urged the center, any policy or action relating to Rohingyas be human, rational and in compliance with the law. So, we have Chief Justices here, you know, who someone says something, but I want to say this. See, Rohingyas came through borders. So, CJI should question the central government. How did Rohingya arrive here, number 1?
Yes.
Then what is the best recourse? Because Supreme Court is an institution of law. So you catch them, and the way Indians are being sent from America to India, the illegal ones.
Fake news, Navika ji.
So similarly, you send every Rohingya to
Somnath Bharti has said a fake news on your show. Nowhere has the Chief Justice of India said that Rohingya should be given shelter. Stop quoting the Chief Justice of India also falsely. Shame on you as a lawyer.
I did
Shame
not
on you
say
as a lawyer.
shelter was given by
Number two,
Hardeep
fake
Puri,
news.
my
I will
dear
tell you
friend.
here. This is what.
Two-bedroom flat.
This is the Calcutta High Court a
have you
week back.
forgotten?
You know, this is what the Calcutta High
saying on
Court said a
record.
week back. It is Mamata Banerjee who has still not
I'm
given
saying on
400
record.
kilometers of land, and it is disastrous on the part of Mamata
Please.
Banerjee. This is not what I am saying. This is what Calcutta High Court has said.
Somnath Bharti ji, I want to ask you a question. You said the Chief Justice of India should ask this question, he should ask that question. आप ले लीजिए classes, Saturday, Sunday को extra classes ले लीजिए. आप जुडिशरी की क्लास ले लीजिए, उनको बताइए क्या क्या पूछना है. अब ये दिन आ गए हैं.
वो तो महामहिम है.
हाँ तो महामहिम है और आप एडवोकेट है, सीनियर एडवोकेट है.
Supreme Court of India is duty bound to ensure the country's perception in the world does not go awry.
So why don't you take extra classes? Because the way the Trinamool Congress, the way the Aam Aadmi Party is saying Chief Justice should have said this, Chief Justice should have said that. I want to first ask Niladri. Niladri bhai, Advocate Niladri, my question to you is, how dare Mr. Kalyan Banerjee use the words that the Chief Justice is TRP hungry? Somebody is saying, these are BJP appointed judges. I mean, before 2014, who was appointing the judges? And is the same process not continuing now? What's going on?
Even while Navika is not agreeing to what Kalyan Banerjee has said, this issue has to be seen in the larger light. The picture is should be clear to the country. This was a writ petition, a writ for habeas corpus filed for some 5 missing Rohingyas. Now we all know that a writ of habeas corpus is applicable for both the citizens and the non-citizens. It is not that this habeas corpus is applicable only for the citizens of the country. Now in a writ of habeas corpus, whether Rohingyas are there, whether Ghuspetias are there, illegal immigrants are there, that is a question which could have been avoided, which I personally feel, with no hard feelings for anyone. As a Chief Justice, he is the first judge of the country. He is the first judge of the country.
Against the illegal infiltrators.
He should have, we are as lawyers, we are trained.
Who are you to decide? Who are the political parties to decide?
To take to understand what the court wants
Navika ji,
to
I
say.
object here. This is the exact emergency mindset which was at the time of the Congress party.
Rather than relying on such side talks, let us take out the surmise
of what
the Chief Justice wanted.
Who are you to decide what the Chief Justice of India should do?
It's very simple. It's a simple equation. It's a simple equation. Why is the Samajwadi Party saying what it said? Why is the Trinamool Congress saying what it said? Ishkaran Bhandari, is it not very clear? Rohingyas are whose vote banks? And where are elections in the near future? Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. And who needs this vote bank? Everybody knows what this vote bank is. And all the time Somnath Bharti ji is asking the question, ये रोहिंग्या आए कैसे? अच्छा आए, अगर आए हैं तो क्या उनको घर में ही रख लें? आपका वोट बैंक बना दें, बाहर ना भेजें, निकाले नहीं. And now they're questioning the Chief Justice on his statement that should we roll out the red carpet for them?
किसने कहा उनको रखिए? नहीं, आपने 2 बेडरूम फ्लैट बना के दिया था रोहिंग्यास को, हरदीप पुरी ने.
No, it's a question to me, Mr. Bharti.
Okay.
It's a question
2 बेडरूम फ्लैट दिया गया था रोहिंग्यास को. हरदीप पुरी से पूछिए.
इश्करन भंडारी,
उठाइए रोहिंग्यास को और भेज दीजिए बांग्लादेश. कौन मना करता है आपको? क्यों नहीं भेजते?
Navika ji, these attacks on the Chief Justice of India for doing his constitutional duty is in a long line of attempts which a lot of people try to do to intimidate, to put pressure on the judiciary, and this has to be rejected at a threshold. You heard on your debate Mr. Bharti saying it's the duty of Supreme Court to see what is the global image of India. This is the sort of strategies they apply, and that has done disservice to India. Why should Supreme Court see what is the global ecosystem or what New York Times or what some random newspaper will say outside India? They have to apply the law of the land, which this Chief Justice is doing. What did the Chief Justice say? Has India declared them as refugees? What did the Chief Justice say? That if you enter India illegally through a tunnel, should you get benefit of food, shelter, education? What did the Chief Justice say? That if you are illegally in India, should India not take you out? What did the Chief Justice say?
I have a simple question, and Tehseen Poonawalla, please tell me why does the opposition have such a soft corner for Rohingyas, for people who have illegally entered the country, for those who are Hidma supporters? Why do you have such a soft corner? Why is this ecosystem always playing on their rights and not the rights of genuine Indians?
Left-wing extremism is making Manipur burn. The finance minister to present a budget. There's no government there, but we have a soft corner. BSF is under the union government, but we have a soft corner. Rohingyas, as Somnath Bharti rightly said, are in Delhi giving 2-bedroom flats, but we have a soft corner. Arey, aap unko bahar nikaliye. If we go to court, we lose.
No. So
you are not doing your duty.
If
got a soft corner.
If there is president's rule, do you want Manipuris to suffer? So you will not. Is that your reason that you will not support a bill in Parliament because there is president's rule? Pradeep Bhandari.
Did Somnath ji or me tweet a 2-bedroom flat for them? Who tweeted their government?
Pradeep Bhandari.
Tehseen, allow.
Sure.
Navika ji, this is Amatullah Khan. This is Amatullah Khan's video who was gifting and giving ration to the Rohingyas. This is live demonstration out here. I challenge on your show, Navika ji, which is the most popular show of Times Now. Can you show me one statement of Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal or Akhilesh Yadav against illegal infiltrators? Prime Minister spoke against illegal infiltrators from the ramparts of the Red Forts. We have removed 21,348. Show me one statement of intent from Rahul, from Akhilesh, Arvind Kejriwal.
There is a statement of intent. Ghulam Mir of the Congress party said in Jharkhand, he said we will give all the refugees cheaper LPG. Do you recall that? That is because they want, and Sam Pitroda, he said, if we have to suffer a little bit, it's okay. We will suffer a little bit, but nobody wants to share. They want to keep the pie bigger and bigger. They are actually canvassing for sharing the pie with people who are illegal immigrants into this country. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've just demonstrated to you over the news hour, the last 1 hour, how every institution is under attack. Whether it is the army, whether it is the Supreme Court, whether it is the Parliament, whether it is Election Commission, whether it is the ED and CBI. Why? Simply because they are not in power. So everything is going wrong. They want power at any cost. And anybody who says anything that may be the right thing to say, well, everybody has to object to it. It is a war of the narratives, and sometimes it crosses the line and becomes a war against the state itself, the country itself. Is that right? You, the viewer, are the best judge. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.